Seth Gary here from Access Tonneau Covers. I'm going to show you guys the Access Limited roll-up cover. This is going to be our premium cover that we have. It's going to have a nice slant back style, Velcro on the sides, premium straps on the front, and on the rear bar you're going to have a single release easy latch 2 system. You're going to have a fabric seal on the rear bar to help keep the water out. You're going to have Velcro on the rails, black crossbars, the bigger tensioners in the front to keep it nice and tight, your premium storage straps to keep it stored in the front when you're hauling items. And also you're going to have a foam element seal that'll go in the front header bar to help keep the water out. And with this cover, we do have other options that come with it. We're going to have a bed light that'll be in the box, easy Retreiver II, trail seal to go around the tailgate, and a sample of our cover care product to help keep the vinyl looking nice and new.